Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8.0 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu and find clock. Then click on alarm over here if it's not already on and tap at the plus icon at the top right corner. Now you can set up an hour and select days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. When you're done, click on alarm name and label your alarm however you want to. Save your changes by clicking done on your keyboard. And now you can click on the switches next to alarm sound, vibration and snooze to disable or enable these features. When you're done, click on alarm sound and click on ringtone. Choose allow. Now you can pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click at this plus icon over here and select music from your device by tapping on the song and choosing set done or save at the top right corner. So now when I go back, I can even adjust volume of my alarm by swiping left or right on the slider over here. Go back, tap on vibration and pick one of the vibration patterns by tapping on the chosen one and going back again. Lastly, click on snooze and select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back, tap on save, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. But if you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!